Welcome back to my channel, Contain Your Life. If you've ever dreamed of having more beautiful butterflies fluttering around your garden, yard, or even your patio, then you are definitely in the right place. Today, I'm so excited to share my top picks for plants that naturally attract butterflies and help support our essential pollinators. It's easier than you think to create your very own butterfly paradise. So why should we care about attracting butterflies? Well, they aren't just stunning to look at, they are crucial pollinators. By planting the right flowers, we're not just decorating our space, we're providing them with the nectar they need for energy, shelter from the elements, and a safe place to lay their eggs and thrive. Think of it as rolling out a welcome mat for nature. And the best part? The plants I'm about to show you are incredibly easy to grow. Many are very low maintenance, and they're absolutely perfect for beginner gardeners. So even if you don't have a green thumb, you can still make a huge impact. All right, let's dive into the plants themselves. First up, and arguably the most important, is milkweed. If you want to see monarch butterflies, you simply have to plant milkweed. It's the only host plant for monarch caterpillars, meaning it's the only thing they eat. It's absolutely essential for their survival. You can find several varieties like common milkweed or the vibrant butterfly weed, which has bright orange flowers. Planting this one plant is one of the most significant things you can do for monarchs. Next, we have the aptly named butterfly bush, or buddleia. This shrub is a butterfly magnet, packed with nectar-rich flowers that bloom all season long from summer well into the fall. They come in gorgeous shades of purple, pink, and white, and their long cone-shaped flower clusters are like a buffet for dozens of different butterfly species. I have 3 in my garden, and they are constantly swarming with activity. It's a real showstopper. It's for a classic cottage garden feel. You can't go wrong with coneflowers and black-eyed Susans. These are hardy, drought-tolerant perennials that come back year after year. Coneflowers, or echinacea, have those iconic shuttlecock-shaped blooms that butterflies love to land on. Black-eyed Susans provide a sunny splash of yellow and a large flat surface that's perfect for feeding. Both are incredibly reliable and will bring you so much joy and so many butterflies with very little effort. Now, if you're short on space or gardening in containers on a balcony or patio, I've got you covered. Zinnias, Lantana, and Verbena are fantastic choices. Zinnias are annuals that you can grow easily from seed, and they produce a continuous explosion of color all summer. Butterflies go crazy for them. Lantana is another powerhouse bloomer, especially in hot, sunny spots. Its clustered flowers often have multiple colors on the same bloom, which is just beautiful. And trailing verbena is perfect for hanging baskets, spilling over the sides with delicate purple or pink flowers that butterflies can't resist. These 3 bring the pollinators right up close to your home. As the season progresses, it's important to have plants that bloom later. That's where Phlox and Asters come in. Garden Phlox offers tall, fragrant clusters of flowers in mid to late summer, while Asters are the stars of the fall garden. They provide a critical late-season nectar source for migrating butterflies. Like monarchs, just when other flowers are starting to fade. Think of them as the final fuel-up station before winter, or as something a bit more dramatic and structural. Consider Pye Weed. This is a tall, impressive native plant with huge, fluffy heads of mauve-pink flowers. It can get up to 6 feet tall and is absolutely irresistible to a wide range of pollinators, not just butterflies. It's a fantastic backdrop plant for any garden border. And finally, let's not forget about herbs and fragrant flowers. Lavender and marigolds are excellent additions. Lavender's fragrant purple spikes are loved by both bees and butterflies, and you get the bonus of that calming scent. Marigolds are easy-to-grow annuals that add bright pops of orange and yellow. While providing a steady nectar source throughout the season, they also help deter some garden pests, which is a fantastic bonus. So now that you have your plant list, here are a few quick tips to maximize your success. First, plant your flowers in clusters or groups rather than just one here and there. This creates a bigger, more visible target for butterflies to spot from the air. Second, most of these plants thrive in full sun, so choose a sunny location for your butterfly garden. A spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight is ideal. And most importantly, please avoid using chemical pesticides. These chemicals can be harmful or even fatal to butterflies and their caterpillars. There are many organic and natural ways to manage pests that will keep your pollinators safe. Remember, even a small garden or a few well-chosen containers on your porch can make a world of difference for our butterfly populations. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you feel inspired to create your own butterfly haven. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Contain Your Life, and maybe share it with another garden lover you know. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Tell me which butterfly plant you are most excited to add to your garden this season. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.